With these can-do videos, you'll see real-life situations where you have to introduce yourself, talk about your family, or give your contact information. So, by the end, you can do them yourself in Italian. This video is a small portion of our can-do course. To get the full course, including translations, grammar tools, and assessment tests, click the link in the description.
Welcome to Can Do Italian by ItalianPod101.com.
Ciao a tutti, sono Felice Angelini. Hi everyone, I'm Felice Angelini. In this lesson, you will learn how to use parting greetings.
This is Karen Lee, and she's talking with her former homestay mother, Chiara Lombardi. As Karen says goodbye, her children join her in saying goodnight. Focus on the way each person says goodbye.
A presto. Buonanotte.
Buonanotte.
Ci vediamo, ciao.
Once more with the English translation.
A presto.
See you soon.
Buonanotte.
Good night.
Buonanotte.
Good night.
Ci vediamo, ciao.
See you. Bye.
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Let's take a closer look at each of these expressions.
First, do you remember how Karen says, "See you soon"?
A presto.
This starts with the preposition
A.
which means something like until in this context.
A.
Next is
Presto.
soon.
Presto. Presto.
Together
A presto.
means something like until soon, but translates as see you soon.
A presto.
Note,
A presto.
is a shortened form of longer phrases, most commonly
Arrivederci a presto.
see you soon.
A presto.
Is fairly informal, which indicates a close relationship between Karen and Chiara Lombardi, her former homestay mother. Do you remember how Sasha says good night?
Buonanotte.
Good night.
Buonanotte. Buonanotte.
Literally means good night.
Buonanotte.
Buonanotte.
Both Sasha and Ben use this expression when saying goodnight to Chiara. You use
Buonanotte.
good night when you don't plan on seeing someone again that night, and often when someone is about to go to bed. It's like saying, have a good night's sleep. Do you remember how Chiara says, see you, bye?
Ci vediamo, ciao.
See you, bye.
Ci vediamo. Ciao.
First is,
Ci vediamo.
see you.
Ci vediamo.
This starts with,
Ci.
which means something like each other.
Ci. Ci.
after this is
Vediamo.
we shall see.
Vediamo. Vediamo. Vediamo.
Is from the verb
Vedere.
meaning to see.
Vedere.
Together
Ci vediamo.
literally means each other we shall see, but translates as see you. Note,
Ci vediamo.
is an informal parting greeting, and you should avoid it in formal situations. Next is,
Ciao.
which translates as bye in this context.
Ciao. Ciao.
Remember,
Ciao.
can be used as a parting greeting, meaning bye, as well as a greeting meaning hi. Altogether,
Ci vediamo. Ciao.
see you, bye.
Ci vediamo, ciao.
This sentence is informal. Chiara uses this to say goodbye to everyone. She's the most senior person in the conversation, and she uses informal language to sound friendly.
Let's look at the parting greetings once more. Listen and repeat, or speak along with me. A presto. A presto. Buonanotte. Buonanotte. Ci vediamo. Ci vediamo. Ciao. Ciao. Notte. Notte. Arrivederci. Arrivederci. Did you notice the last parting phrase I used? Arrivederci.
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Arrivederci.
Goodbye.
Arrivederci. Arrivederci.
You can use this greeting when you're sure you'll meet the other person again.
Arrivederci.
Let's review the key words.
Notte.
Night, as in good night.
Notte. Notte.
This is a shortened form of
Buonanotte.
good night.
Buonanotte. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say, "See you soon"? A presto. A presto. And how to say, "Good night"? Buonanotte. Buonanotte. Do you remember how to say, "See you"? Ci vediamo. Ci vediamo. And how to say bye? Ciao. Ciao. Do you remember how to say see you, bye? Ci vediamo, ciao. Ci vediamo, ciao.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Mark Lee and you're talking with Chiara. Respond by saying, "Good night." Ready?
Ci vediamo, ciao.
Buonanotte.
Listen again and repeat.
Buonanotte. Buonanotte.
Let's try another. Imagine you're Sasha Lee and you're finishing class. Respond by saying, "Bye." Ready?
Ciao.
Ciao.
Listen again and repeat.
Ciao. Ciao.
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Ben Lee and you're finishing coffee with your college friend, Federica. Respond by saying, "See you."
A presto.
Ci vediamo.
Listen again and repeat.
Ci vediamo. Ci vediamo.
This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to use basic parting greetings in Italian. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.